they can do it.
Okay. In place of what we're saying now, gentlemen, you might be wrong. Social security number, you might?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Driver's license, each year?
But since 2012, the
old one on there, I'm not talking about the old one. Passport to go on there.
No, passports are not.
They might be born. Okay, like we had with the other guys. All guys been told from here, almost needs a walk here. Yeah, by Medicaid. I'm saying wrong. No, that's another problem.
He said, "What I will go without that
one." You know, teenage on Medicaid, but right now, he will get that. It's a problem. Hey, rehabilitate. Right now, that's in that process and available. It makes it hard for us. I got money.
I got money because when he immigration, because immigration can carry you go
like that, no?
Yeah.
Why we are talking about two things. Go. You could go Ilala for war.
Problem. But that process need to get a lot of taking a plane.
Our community clan, they will send me home.
Jail before I decide.
Hold on. Let me help here. I got two different things. So why not here? Something different. It was something different. I am not about your passion to go home.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, look at your health. First of all, hold on. I'm going to be in a video.
Yeah.
All right. It is diabetic.
Yeah.
You will have blood pressure.
Yeah.
You are ready to go in terms of diet. And I want you to know that. Look at your eye. I don't know. All right? Now, only in Nigeria, although your sister in Nigeria will be happy knowing an opportunity to come here and receive treatment. There's nothing at home to treat. Now, I've went to how to make it easier for you to die earlier. So, all I can hear, you know, they grow a piece of land. It don't mean nothing.
Our insurance, my insurance.
If you have one.
Yeah, if I.
Do you have one?
No.
Thank you. So let's not talk about that. Now, can I maybe under your condition here to get you treated before you go to your life?
I wouldn't give you the solution. Talk about it, we throw it open to other people. Solution.
That's what we can do. It's not that we're not responding to
because in the next couple of days they will discharge him. And I get dropped here by here. That's what they normally do.
You go back.
So
yesterday, Salvation Army.
Yeah.
Few days in this Salvation Army push me out.
Okay.
Push me out.
So how you allow I have prescription, okay? Because all from that prescription can get as well. Because last time you get no many 3 months in diabetes, you cannot stay out of it for one day. You cannot, because an eye specialist, all the same thing, not connected.
Doctor said, I'll have prescribed $4. So, make I know fair. It's $4
I think, if we can get a place, I one night who is a big pharmacist. Ready to push your medication tomorrow. Okay? So you will stabilize you before you go. So let's Gay home, the Torino Cabrivo. So I
want your son will be an apartment ticket.
Yeah.
On an apartment ticket.
One
okay, see what I suggest. Let's find a platform to